Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about LG Electronics Pcb Assy-Display part #EBR83548602. LG Electronics PCB Assy-Display part #EBR83548602 is a printed circuit board assembly (PCBA) for LG Electronics displays. It is a component of the display and is responsible for controlling the display's functionality. The PCB assembly includes a number of components such as integrated circuits, resistors, capacitors, transistors, and other electrical components. It also includes the display's LCD panel and backlight. The PCB assembly is responsible for providing power to the display and controlling its functions such as brightness, contrast, color balance. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement printed circuit board assembly for the display of LG Electronics televisions. It is used to fix issues such as distorted images, no picture, or other display-related problems. Here is how you install this part. 1. Turn off the power to the appliance. 2. Remove the back panel of the appliance to access the display assembly. 3. Disconnect any cables connected to the display assembly and remove any screws holding it in place. 4. Carefully remove the old display assembly and set aside. 5. Place the new LG Electronics PCB Assy-Display part #EBR83548602 into position and secure with screws or other fasteners as needed. 6. Reconnect any cables that were disconnected from the old display assembly and reattach the back panel of the appliance. 7. Turn on power. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.